This presentation gives the most important points from the operating instructions of maxon spindle drives. The operating instructions for spindle drives can most easily be found on the maxon website. Select any spindle drive and open the manual section of the downloads. There is just one operating instruction document for all maxon spindle drives. You can find three major topics in there: how to mount a spindle drive, what to observe during operation, and how to maintain. Generally, for mounting, the following points should be observed. If possible, use the flange front face centering collar for alignment. Carefully align the spindle drive without any tension. Verify that the spindle drive is still in alignment and without tension after tightening the screws. Especially long spindles and/or high-speed operation require an additional bearing at the free spindle end. This can be ordered as an option spin 02. Depending on the installation setup, you will need to subtract certain actual dimensions from the total length of the spindle. The maximal permitted stroke is calculated according to the formula. This animation shows schematically how the spindle drives are mounted. For fixation, use only screws that penetrate the front face mounting threads in full length. Screw dimensions can be found in Table 1. Observe that nuts on ball screws must never be removed, never. It's like disassembling a ball bearing, but much more complicated to reassemble. In case you have a flange nut on a ball screw with its much larger diameter, that's option spin 04, mounting might become difficult. You're not allowed to remove the ball screw nut, so you need a larger hole in the support, and the spindle drive can only be mounted if you use a rectangular flange option spin 06 instead. During operation, make sure that the alignment remains perfect. A motor current increase might point to a possible misalignment. Avoid that the nut runs into the bearing at the gearhead output. Maintenance essentially is re-lubrication. Table 2 gives the recommended lubrication interval and the lubrication type. So, these were the most important points from the operating instructions.